Hey Disney fans, are you tired of waiting in long lines for food during your park day? Well, Disney's got you covered with mobile ordering. Today we're going to break down everything you need to know about how mobile ordering works and how it can save you time on your next Disney vacation. From how to place your order to tips for making the most of it, we'll cover it all so you can spend less time in line and more time enjoying the magic. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our Disney tips and tricks. Let's get started. So what is mobile ordering? Mobile ordering is a feature on the My Disney Experience app that lets you skip the lines at quick service restaurants in the parks. Instead of waiting in line to order, you can place your food order directly from your phone, pick it up at a designated counter, and keep on enjoying the magic. It's a huge time saver, especially during peak meal times, and helps you plan your meals ahead of time without disrupting your park day. Basically, it's a way to order food on the go and skip the hassle of waiting around. Trust me, it makes your Disney experience a lot smoother. So how does it work? First, open the My Disney Experience app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you do so before your trip because this is where all the magic happens, including mobile ordering. Second, once you're in the app, click the plus button in the center of the bottom of the screen. Other devices may differ in layout, but I was on my iPhone, so that's where it is for me. Then, tap the Order Food button. This will bring up a list of nearby quick service restaurants that offer mobile ordering. From there, you can choose which restaurant you'd like to order from. 3. Choose your meal. So today, I was at Magic Kingdom and decided on Cosmic Rays. For my meal, I went with a burger and a drink. Now you can customize most meals like I did here by removing the sauce. I just wasn't feeling it that day. So whether it's dietary needs or personal preferences, mobile ordering lets you get exactly what you want. 4. Once you've selected everything, head to the payment screen. You can use your linked credit card, Disney gift cards, or like me, you can use your Disney Rewards redemption. If you have the Disney dining plan, you can use credits for eligible items. Once you've done that, confirm everything and you're ready to go. Lastly, after you place your order, you'll see a screen with options: I'm here, prepare my order, change arrival window, or cancel. Once you're close to the restaurant and ready to pick up your food, just tap I'm here, prepare my order. When your food is ready, you'll get an alert and you can head to the restaurant's designated pickup area to grab your food. So what are some tips for successful mobile ordering? The first one, and by far my favorite, order while you're in line for an attraction. One of the best ways to save time is by creating your mobile order while you're still waiting in line. That way, by the time you're done with a ride, you can head straight to pick up your food without having to waste time while waiting in line at the restaurant. Second, click the I'm here while still walking toward the restaurant. Now, don't do this if you're in Tomorrowland headed towards Frontierland. So in my case, I went to Cosmic Rays. I'm going to click the I'm here button before I even get to the Tomorrowland Speedway. So I'm already headed that direction. I'm clicking I'm here, so that way when I get to the door, hopefully my order is ready. 3. Order early. To avoid any delays, place your order as early as possible, especially during busy meal times. You can always adjust the pickup window, but getting your order in early helps you avoid long waits. And be flexible. Not every restaurant offers the full menu for mobile ordering. If your preferred meal isn't available, check for other options or try a different restaurant that might have what you're craving. Use rewards. If you've earned Disney rewards, if you have the Disney Visa, don't forget to use those for payment through the app. It's an easy way to save or spend those points while enjoying your meal. Same goes for dining credits. I've seen horror stories of people, during checkout of their stay still have dining credits left over. Make sure you're using those for your quick service meals as much as you can. So are there any drawbacks? There's some. The first one comes to mind is limited locations. While many quick service restaurants offer mobile ordering, not all of them do. Some of your favorite spots may still require you to stand in line, so it's always a good idea to check the app ahead of time to see if mobile ordering is available at the restaurant you want. This goes doubly so for snack carts, things like that. Some will have mobile ordering available, some won't. It's really easy to check in the app to make sure that the one that you want does offer it. Secondly, sometimes the app can be slow or glitchy, especially during busy times. If you're having trouble placing your order or getting it to load properly, try closing the app out and reopening it to refresh it. And lastly, even though the app gives you an option to adjust your pickup window, there may still be times when you arrive and your food isn't quite ready yet. While this doesn't happen often, it's something to keep in mind if you're trying to do this on a tight schedule. Overall, mobile ordering is a great tool to make your Disney park day a little bit smoother. It's super convenient, saves you time, and ensures you get the meal you want without waiting in long lines. So whether you're customizing your burger like me or grabbing a quick snack, it's a must-try feature for your next trip. Have you used mobile ordering before? Let me know in the comments what your experience was, and feel free to share any tips of your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Disney tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you real soon.